For any parent in the world, there is no bigger fear than seeing their child in pain. The moment they find out their child has a hole in the heart, everything around them stops. Because this is not just a health problem. This is their child's life. They cannot think of anything else. The only thing on their mind is, will my child be okay? They are ready to do anything to keep their child safe. A child's heart is still growing. It is fragile. So getting the right treatment at the right time is important to save their child's life. But many families in India don't fully understand what this condition means. So before we talk about what a hole in the heart is, let us first understand how a normal heart works. The heart has 4 parts inside it. Think of them as 4 rooms in a house, 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side, and a wall running in the middle. The left side takes clean blood and sends it to the whole body, to every organ, every part of the child that needs it to grow well every single day. The right side takes the used blood and sends it to the lungs. There it gets cleaned and becomes fresh again. These 2 sides must always stay separate. That is how a healthy heart works. Now think about what happens if there is a hole in that wall. The clean blood and the used blood start mixing with each other. The lungs get more blood than they can manage, and the heart starts working much harder than it should, just to keep the body going. This is what a hole in the heart means. Doctors also call it congenital heart disease. It is a problem that develops in the very first weeks of a baby's life, when it is still growing in the mother's womb. And every year in India, nearly 240,000 babies are born with this condition. It is far more common than most families realize, and it is far more serious than it looks from the outside. But not every child with this condition goes through the same thing. Some children show clear signs that their body is struggling. They get tired easily. They look weak. You can tell something is not right. But some children run, play, and seem completely fine on the outside. And yet, there is a hole in their heart that is slowly causing harm. In these children, the condition is often not recognized for many years. And then, some children have more than one problem in the heart at the same time. These children feel the effects on their health from a very young age, and their condition is more serious. A child living with this condition is missing moments of their childhood because their body simply cannot keep up. They struggle to play, learn, and perform daily activities. This is the silent struggle of thousands of children across India. And some families won't even know their child is going through this. But there is hope, because with proper treatment, most children with this condition go on to live healthy and completely normal lives. And this can happen if the heart is treated at the right time. But most families in India cannot afford it. This condition needs advanced heart surgery and has to be done by experienced heart doctors. And when a child does not get this treatment in time, their condition starts getting worse. The heart keeps struggling. The rest of the body starts getting affected. And in many cases, children do not survive past their first few years of life. This is what many families in India are facing today. But Sri Satya Sai Sanjeevani Hospitals is changing that. They provide complete treatment from screening to surgery at absolutely zero cost. If you know a child or a family struggling with this, reach out to Sri Satya Sai Sanjeevani Child Heart Hospitals today. Help is available, and it will not cost a single rupee. Share this video with as many people as possible so that it can save a child's life.